So, 100,000 yung mababawas sa tuition fee ni students.
Baka lumaki pa siya in the future.
Meron kaming konting pakulo lang. So,
Nabuno ko doon
sasayaw. We are a huge part of a student life.
Sa Georgian College kasi, we call ourselves more than a college. It's an experience. School records, COR, diploma, resume, and then a copy of their passport. Then let's talk.
Ang hirap niyang ilaban kapag mag-work ka na kasi hiwalay dun yung sarili mo.
The popular ones are into healthcare. Nandiyan yung practical nursing, personal support worker.
Ano pa ba yung mga unseen difficulties?
Masyadong scam yan, masyadong marami silang sinasabi.
Uso pa din ba ang maritesing? Naramdaman mo,
Ay,
Pinoy to.
Totoo, ay, Pinoy yun.
Ay, Pinoy to. Nasasaway kaya yung mga Pinoy doon? Hindi po to sa Batangas, ha?
Hindi yan sa Batangas. Ang ganda. Grabe.
Yes, that's it.
Yay! So go Grizzlies!